From 2010 to 2020, not a single question from quadratic equation as well as the quadratic problems of equation, not a single question yet has come outside the Conscience Selena book. Hello everyone and welcome back to the phenomenal session. And yes, this session for which you are waiting for, sir please make a video on quadratic equation. बच्चे तो बहुत डिमांड कर रहे हैं, sir please make a video on chapter number 6 of Conscience Selena, that is quadratic equation, problem of quadratic equations, right? 2010 से आज तक, मतलब 2021 में एग्जाम तो हुआ ही नहीं, till 2020 not a single question yet has come outside the book. That means whatever the ICC has put the question, each and every questions belong to the Conscience Selena as well as FPC ML Agarwal. Right? So my dear most children, the wise student, those who are looking after the session, I am saying you all people that stop watching my video if you want, because start doing Conscience Selena. Okay, and maximum students are there, those who are saying that sir we don't have other resources, we don't have MCQs book, we don't have money to purchase MCQ books. No need, because Conscience Selena if you are having, that is enough for you. FPC ML Agarwal if you are having, that is enough for you, because I personally predict, I personally think that whatever the question you will be getting in the semester 1, maximum question will be from exercise, and the most important, yes my dear most children, quadratic equation will be exercise mein chamakne wala hai, as well as the problem of quadratic equation. All right, and in this particular video I will be talking about the quadratic equation complete. If you have not thought about the chapter, here I can give a basic discussions to you all. That doesn't mean I will be teaching very briefly, no, I will be overlapping, I will be just having a recap of everything, and definitely we can cover up the entire quadratic equation as I think. अगर तुम थोड़ा बहुत समझे होगे तो पक्का समझ जाओगे, अगर कुछ नहीं समझे होगे कोशिश करवाऊंगा कि that I will make you understand everything. So without making any delay, let's the quadratic equations, the phenomenal chapter, my personal favorite chapter, that is quadratic equation. So let's the quadratic equation get started. As you know very well, in case of quadratic equation question ऐसे पूछा जा सकता है, what is the highest power of quadratic equation? बताओ, what is the highest power of quadratic equation? That is a 2, which is known as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. मतलब quadratic equation में 2 होता है, linear quadratic में 1 होता है, cubic में 3, by quadratic 4, which you don't need to study, only the degree of the quadratic equation, that is a 2. ax square plus bx plus c. Now there are many kind of students, those who are going on reading, you know what, problems करते हैं, MCQs, problems, numericals, but if I'll ask one question, they cannot do, they cannot say. So please, if you want to say, you can say right there, may I know what is a pure quadratic equation? बात खत्म. So pure quadratic equation we are reading for the first time, we don't know. The pure quadratic equation means, this is known as a pure quadratic equation. That means the quadratic equation whose degree will be 2, degree जिसका 2 होगा, nothing. That means this is for an example, for making it detail, x square equals to 25, sorry, x square equals to 5, sorry, x square equals to 25, x equals to under root of 25, which is all about a 2. This is known as a pure quadratic equation having a degree 2, right? The first term whose the degree will be 2 or another will be constant after equals. So this is known as pure quadratic equation. Now if I will be talking about, can you, my dear most children, can you say me add factored quadratic equation? Sir और एक बार बात बताइए, add factored, ADFECTED, add factored quadratic equation, add factored quadratic equation. Right? What do you mean by add factored quadratic equation? Add factored quadratic equation means, ये वाला क्वेश्चन अगर चमक गया तो, and this question is there in the Conscience ML FPC, you can go ahead. Add factored quadratic equation means having a degree 2 as well as in this way, ax square plus bx equals to 0. Right? Add factored quadratic equation ऐसे होता है, उसे बोलते हैं add factored quadratic equation. But no, c will be not there, constant would not be there in case of add factored quadratic equation. I hope the concept is pretty very well clear to you, and maximum students, even if the topper, everyone, they get suffer a lot regarding here, that sir where to put duster fallen down, sorry for that, sorry for the inconvenience, sir where to put so discriminant series formula, where to took by quadratic formula, right? Maximum peoples are there, they are eagerly waiting, sir. They doesn't know where to put discriminant फॉर्मूला, वेयर टू पुट क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला। डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का फॉर्मूला होता है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, क्वाड्रेटिक का फॉर्मूला होता है क्यू इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाय 2a। Now you might be thinking, sir, where to put this and where to put that, sir? ये वाला कहाँ से निकला? अगर ये वाला जानना है तो तुम्हें after the exam you have to read this because you don't need to study this all now because यहाँ का derivative formula नहीं पूछा जाएगा। That this is the formula you need to read. D, अगर D 0 होता है तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? अगर D greater than 0, if the D is smaller than 0, what we used to say? We have to understand it very well. If the D stands for b square minus 4ac. D, अगर b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if the b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. What we used to say this? We used to say this little bit I have forgotten perhaps. Yeah. No, I'm not. No, everything I have written correct. अगर b 0 से कम होता है, कम means if the b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0, that is known as imaginary. That means it will be imaginary. That means अगर negative, suppose for an example I have got minus 24, that is known as imaginary. Question ऐसा आएगा exam में, आ सकता है. That means question will be there that question will be there in case of that after finding a quadratic equation, the discriminant series we got, that is negative 24 or negative 36. Identify the discriminant value, identify the number whether it is in imaginary or whether a real and distinct roots, whether a real or equal, real or unequal होगा। बताओ जल्दी। तुम तो बोलोगे सर तुम नेगेटिव में, that is a imaginary. Is it clear everyone? Yeah, everyone is clear. And what more, real and unequal is also there. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 is known as real and unequal. अगर b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, अगर इसका वैल्यू 0 से ज्यादा हुआ, that means before 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, if this number will be there, that means real and unequal. That means we have to assume that is a real and unequal. लिख लेता हूँ real and unequal. Which one? If the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is real and unequal. If the b square minus 4ac equals to 0, real and equal. ये होता है R, real and equal. ये लिख लो कॉपी में, लिख लो. Without pen and paper don't attend my class please. I may be rude with you. Without pen and paper don't attend my classes. You can skip it out. I'm sorry to be rude, but what to do, right? Medicines are bitter in taste, my words are bitter in taste, but it is good for your health. Similarly, medicines are bitter, good for your health, my words are also bitter in taste, but it is good for your examination, right? All right, so b square minus 4ac real and equal. B square minus 4ac अगर 0 से ऊपर होगा, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अगर 0 से ऊपर होगा, 1 2 3 4 अगर होगा तो उसे बोलते हैं रियल एंड अनइक्वल. अगर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0 से कम मतलब नेगेटिव नंबर, नेगेटिव मतलब इंटीजर्स मतलब व्हाट इज इंटीजर, प्लस और माइनस की दुनिया में जो होता है उसे इंटीजर बोलते हैं. दैट इज नेगेटिव नंबर पॉजिटिव नंबर, व्हेन द नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर मिक्स टुगेदर इज नोन एज इंटीजर. That means negative integers minus 1 2 3 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, rest is known about this. I hope the discriminant value discriminant series is pretty well clear to you. Now let us start a very good questions from and one more thing, the question at at the end I will be saying very important questions to you which will be coming in the examination. Very important question which I will be saying you, it will be coming in the examination. Yes, for sure, right? All right, so I hope the discriminant value is pretty clear to you. Let us start with the number one question. Please go ahead with the number one question. See what is the number one question is given over here. That नंबर वन क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. छोटा वाला सवाल ले लेता हूँ पहले, उसके बाद नंबर वन के जाएंगे. छोटा वाला सवाल, लेट मी टेक, या इट इज वेरी गुड प्रॉब्लम, इट इज देयर 2x square. नाउ यू माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट सर नाउ व्हाई यू आर नॉट डूइंग MCQs, why you are not doing MCQ, why you are making us understand. अरे यार इसको समझोगे तो MCQ करोगे ना. ओके, इफ इसको समझोगे तो MCQ करोगे ना, इसको नहीं समझो MCQ कहाँ से करोगे. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, don't worried about MCQs. This is the man thing, this is the man, right? अच्छा, always you are worried to get milk, but where the milk come from, that also is very important. दूध पीते हो, दूध कहाँ से आता है? दूध गाय से आता है. Cow is the man, because of cow only you are getting milk. Cow or many more are there, but cow, because of cow you are getting milk. Same thing, and here because of Constance Selina, because of FPC ML Agarwal only you are getting MCQs. Remember this, right? 2x square plus 6x plus 3 equals to 0 and in which I can say in a discriminant value. देखते हैं whether ये वाला पूछा आएगा क्वेश्चन में, this question would be there and find it out whether it is real or in उस क्वेश्चन में होगा. Suppose this equation in a quadratic equation of this, suppose for an example I'm saying the question, suppose in a quadratic equation of this, suppose in a quadratic equation of this, find the value, find whether it is in a real or equal, whether it is in a real and unequal, okay, and whether it is an imaginary. कैसे निकालोगे? चलो let us start with a short. D equals to minus b, d equals to b square होगा यहाँ पर, b square minus 4ac in which b we have got 6 का स्क्वायर 36 minus 4ac 4 का स्क्वायर 4 into 2 8 into 3 8 3 24 which is all about 12. बात खत्म. D equals to 12. If the D equals to 12 that means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. अगर greater than 0 है तो नंबर पॉजिटिव में, नंबर पॉजिटिव में आया तो अनइक्वल. कौन सा किसके पास अनइक्वल बेटा? रियल एंड अनइक्वल. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? यस. अगर इफ द क्वेश्चन, इफ द आंसर वुड बी फॉर एन एग्जांपल, द आंसर वुड बी -6, दैट मींस इट वुड बी इमेजिनरी. आई होप द क्वेश्चन, everything is pretty clear to you. All right, so let us start with a very phenomenal question, that is a year question. This is a year question, compulsory part question. If your brother and sister, your brother and sisters are there, अगर तुम्हारे बड़े भैया बड़े भाई अगर कोई बहन बत्ता है तो उनसे पूछ लेना, ऐसे सब सवाल आता है. It is a year question, trending question. The question which I have let you know, the question which I have made you do, the question which I have written over here, that is a trending question. The question which I will be letting you do few of the questions, and there are the trending question, the important question you will be getting at the end. The constants, the APC important question you will be getting in the end. Be with that. At the end, middle में भी हो सकता है, right? You can get in middle as well as you can get in end. Starting with the number one question, very important as well as find the value of k. We have to find the value of k, which the equation 3x square minus 6x plus k equals to 0 has a distinct and real and roots. With the distinct and real roots you have got, distinct and real roots means distinct and मतलब equal root. अगर distinct and real that is 0, we have to find the value of k. Can we do? Yes. 3x square minus 6x plus k equals to 0. That means we have to put, what we have to put? D equals to b square minus 4ac. What do you mean by b square? B square is all about minus 6 into minus 6, which is all about a 36. 36 minus 4 times a. 4 times a is all about a 12, right? It's all about a 12 as well as a c. C is all about a k. 12k. I can do it. 12k. 12k is greater than 0. Why I have done is a greater than 0? Because it is a sign which we used to put. How we used to put, children? Now b square minus 4ac, as I said before, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. B square minus 4ac equals to 0. Why it is a real and distance and real root? Distance and real root का मतलब b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 होगा यहाँ पर, right? That means what? I have done minus 12k greater than minus 36, minus got cancelled, k equals to पलट जाएगा 3, पलट जाएगा, k is greater less than 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? Another question, let me take it over here. That okay, let me take the another question. The another question is, see, find the quadratic equation, solution is this much and this much. Find the quadratic equation. You have to find the quadratic equation whose the solution is this much and this much. And yes, it is also a year question, but generally it doesn't come. But if it comes, the paper get easy. 2017 में पेपर बहुत easy आता. 2017 the paper was very very easy, and I was the mentor at the same time also, and I was for us at the same time. The way I am looking, I was very thin at the same time. Anyway, find the quadratic equation whose solution is this much and this much. Whose solution? That means we have to find the equation. We have to find the ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 value. Find the quadratic equation. Very very important little question it is, as well as this was the final. It was a very important question. And the question ऐसे गिरा, and the option would be, you might be thinking, sir, why you are not giving option? चलो option लेते. इसका option था a greater than 0, a less than 0, a equals to 1. बच्चे बहुत a k equals to 3 कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. You are not getting me. For an example, what did I get the answer? What did I get the answer? I got a k is what? Less than 3 I got. Suppose इसका option कुछ इस प्रकार है. K is greater than 3. K is greater than 3. K is less than 3. Right? Sorry. हाँ ठीक है. और k equals to 3. What would be the answer? What did I get here? K is less than 3 I got for us, right? हाँ, k is less than 3 I got. So बच्चे यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, क्या क्या करेंगे भगवान जान. This is the correct answer. This type of things you have to keep it in your mind, and this type of question come, and definitely it will come, and what I say it comes in examination. I have not prepared the question, I have not, but it's a trending. I am very thankful to Almighty, but what I say it comes in exam. Find the quadratic equation whose solution is -3 and 6. Solution is -3. That means we have got the x value. We have got the x value is all about, see, I am the way I am teaching, you know, a 60% student can also understand. The way I am teaching, a 90% student can also understand. So you have to cooperate with me, because I cannot go so fast. I cannot leave anyone. I cannot leave 95% students. I cannot leave 65% students, because everyone is important in their own field. So I personally give a lots of priority to the backbenchers. All right, I am sorry to all the front benches students, those who are looking after the video, please excuse me, but what to do? Generally there are having a lots of teachers, those who love a lot to the student, those who come first in class, second in class, third in class. Nevertheless, that doesn't mean I don't love the first in class people. I love a lot, but I do like a lot to the last benches. Anyway, because I am the same boy, because I have come from the last bench only. All right, find the quadratic equation whose solution is this one. That means we have got x equals to -2, x equals to 3. That means I can directly say x plus 2 equals to x minus 3. Baat khatam. Is it clear? Equals to 0. Is it clear? That means whose solution is this much, na? Solution means the answer is this much though. So I have to find the quadratic equation. How to find the quadratic equation? X equals to -2. So -2 will come here. That is x plus 2. Now x equals to 3, x equals to -2. Let me do calculate over here. Let me multiply कैसे करते हैं बच्चों की तरह थोड़ी ना करूँगा, because I am a teacher. I will be doing directly x into times x square, right? -3x plus 2x plus into -6 equals to 0, which is all about x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Bye, खत्म. इसका आंसर ये वाला. That means in the option you will be there, find the quadratic equation whose solution is this much. Option will be there this much, और 3-4 ऑप्शन दिया होगा. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल ये वाला ऑप्शन है x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0 ऑप्शन है. x स्क्वायर माइनस x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0 ऑप्शन है. और एक होगा x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस x minus 6 equals to 0 option. What it would be? Everything is similar. That means the option is number 1 correct. That is x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Is it clear? Is it clear? All right. Chalo, let us start with the number 3 questions. Very important. And these are the year question, my dear most children. Who knows if the copy and the cut copy paste question come in exam? Cut copy paste. Who knows? And also do not worry, I will be saying everything in the last. What are the important chapter, what are the important questions of the Council Selena as well as APCML overall, which you need to study, which you need to practice a lot. Coming to the number 3 question, let's look at the number 3 questions. Very, very important number 3 questions, that if x equals to 2 and x equals to 3 are the roots of the equation, zeros of the equation का meaning एक होता है. पता नहीं है, you will be reading the 11th or 12th grade, root of the equation, zeros of the equation of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, root of the polynomial as well as the equation is all about the same meaning. If x equals to 2, x equals to 3, find the roots of the equation. This much, find m and n. You have to find m and n. How to find it out? Oh my god. All right, very easy, very easy. There are having, that means we have to do 2 solutions. कैसे करना है इसको? Oh yeah. If x equals to 2, x minus x equals to 3 are the roots of the equation. कैसे करते हैं? Oh yeah. We have to do 2 times. That means suppose if x equals to 2, suppose question मिलकर, see 2 marker question, ये वाला 2 marker question. This is the 2 marker question and this is the year questions. Year question mean 2019-20 का question है वाला है. This is the question. Whatever the question I am letting you do, definitely it's all a year question. I will be letting you do the year question. Coming to the number 3 question, if x equals to 2, and many people are thinking, hey, why he is not doing any kind of MCQs? But those who are reading near me from the first, those who are looking, those who will watch the lecture for 2 to 3 minutes, they can understand what is the value of my lectures and all. I don't understand. See, by random MCQ कराऊँ क्या फायदा? If you won't understand the fundamental, if you can understand fundamental, 1000 of MCQs you can do. But if you don't understand, if you don't understand MCQ fundamental, 1000 of MCQ करने से भी 1001 वाला तुम्हारा गलत होगा. So moral of the story, fundamental is very important for you all people. which I am saying you overall. I hope you can understand. If x equals to 2, x equals to 3 are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 2mx minus 2. If x equals to 2, let us find it out. 3x square minus 2mx plus 2mx. Oh, mx is a physics word which you will be reading in the 12th grade. All right. Anyway, so it is mx is a word which is a frequency. All right. Anyway, 3x square minus 2mx plus 2x equals to 0. We have to find the value of x. What is the x value? 2 दूना 2, 2 दूना 4, 4 दूना 12, 4 12 minus I used to put directly x का square direct करता हूँ. x का x 4, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 minus 2mx 2 to 4, 4m. Is it clear? 4m. Why? Because 2 times 2, 4m plus 2x it is given, right? 4 equals to 0. Then after minus 4m plus 16 equals to 0. Then after minus 4m equals to minus 16, m equals to 4. m का वैल्यू मिला 4. m का वैल्यू 4 मिला यार. Find the m and n ना. n or x? Hayla. What is the question? It is m or x? Excuse me. It is n. Oh yeah, it is n. It is n. Sorry for the inconvenience. It is n. All right, it is n. It is n. Please cooperate. It is n. 2n. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do? Again, 3x square minus 2mx plus 2n equals to 0. I can directly put it as a 4 4 12 12 12 दोनों 4m. ये वाला mn है या mx है? It is mx हाँ x. Okay. 2 दोनों 4 4m plus 2n equals to 0. गलत कर देगा फांसी हो जाएगा ना मुझे. Right. 12 minus 4m plus 2n equals to 0. What are you gonna do the next? The next would be let us take it out. 2 is a common. Let me take it out. 2 is a common. सजा देता हूँ थोड़ा. 2 is a common. सजाने का कोई दरकार नहीं है. Let me take 2 is a common. If I'll be taking 2 is a common, 6 minus 2m plus n equals to 0, which is all about minus 2m plus n equals to minus 6. Equation 1. Is it clear? Minus 2m plus n equals to minus 6. Equation 1. Let me come with x equals to 3. That means 3x square. Again, let me do this. 3x square minus 2mx plus 2n equals to 0. That means I can get 3. If I will be getting a 3 tintina no 27 minus 27 negative 2mx mx x 4x 4m plus 2n equals to 0, right? And what I gonna do? 2 से कटेगा तो यहाँ पर उस तरफ चला जाएगा, right? minus 4m plus 2n equals to minus 27. Equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2 we get. इसको solve करते हैं. कर पाओगे? आता है solve करना? आता है? हाँ? आइला 3 2 6 आ रहे यार. हम यहाँ पे 6 होगा ना. Shit. 6, right? 3 2 9 9 27 minus 6m. That means यहाँ पर 6m होगा. Minus 6m. It is n. Yeah, it is n. N and x I'm getting confused. All right. Anything I left? Everything I've done correct? Yeah. Let me match the answer. All right. Chalo. Okay. So now after calculation, what you will be getting after calculation? Okay, here is the conscience में यार example में देखो example अच्छे से. It is an example question. That's the reason I am having book near me. All right, see. All right. See, there doesn't matter that हम hide करके no. Whatever I do everything in front of my students, right? That doesn't mean that sir, you might be thinking I could have deleted this step part. You know, I could have deleted to hide myself. Why shall I see the book? I will be looking after the book in front of my students now. हो मैं स्टूडेंट्स होने से क्या ह्यूमन बीइंग डू मिस्टेक्स. हम करते हैं मिस्टेक्स, यू डू मिस्टेक्स, आई डू मिस्टेक्स एवरी डे. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? नथिंग. I could have keep it hidden, right? I could have keep it hidden. That I could have cut this video part. I could have cut this. अरे यार, I have seen the book and all. No, बच्चे को पता भी रहने दो. इतना और साधु ठीक नहीं, right? All right. So after calculation, you will be getting something. You have to calculate by your own. If you cannot, I will be helping you out, right? What I will be helping you out? See, solve equation 1 and 2 you will get. After getting solve equation, ये बड़ा होगा माइनस प्लस होता है 4m बन गया. 4m सपोज यहाँ पर होगा 4m. सपोज लेट मी सी 4m माइनस 6m प्लस m 4m. यहाँ पर होता है 2n का माइनस n प्लस n 2m प्लस n इक्वल्स टू कितना बनता है? इक्वल्स टू सी. अच्छा, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा. इक्वल्स, अच्छा माय डियर मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन, सी. अच्छा सी. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग यू विल बी गेटिंग ए इक्वेशन. आफ्टर गेटिंग इक्वेशन इसको फैक्टराइज करके आंसर निकालोगे. उसको फैक्टराइज करोगे, आंसर निकालोगे, राइट? यू हैव टू डू बाय योर ओन. नो नीड फॉर मोर एक्सप्लेनेशन, राइट? अरे भाई, इसको ये करोगे इक्वेशन 1, इसको ये करोगे इक्वेशन 2. आफ्टर गेटिंग 4m प्लस n इक्वल टू यहाँ पर 27 प्लस 6 27 33 निकलेगा, 33 समथिंग लाइक दैट. यू विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर. आफ्टर दैट you will be doing, everything will be clear to you all people, right? Everything will be clear, do not worry about that. After factorization you can be able to get 2 solutions. 2 solution मिलेगा, 2 solution m का मिलेगा, n का मिलेगा, 2 solution आंसर मिलेगा. बात खत्म. It's clear. All right, number 3 over number 4. Let us start with the number 4 year question. Again the number 4 is a year question. Find the value of k. Oh my god, you have to find the value of k. In which find the value of k. Year question. This is the question. This is the significant figure. I can guarantee. Do not go anywhere. Number 4. Find the value of k for which x minus 3 equals to. Can you see me, everyone? Yes, everyone can see me. Find k for which. Find k for which x equals to this much. X equals to, yeah, very easy question. अदर रूट निकालना है. एक का रूट निकला हुआ है, अदर का निकालना है. कैसे निकालोगे? पहले x का वैल्यू लगा देते हैं. चलो, k प्लस 2 होल x स्क्वायर इज गिवन माइनस kx प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0. लेट मी पुट x वैल्यू. इफ आई विल बी पुटिंग x वैल्यू, व्हाट डिड आई गेट? k प्लस 2, व्हाट इट इज? x का स्क्वायर 3 का स्क्वायर 9 कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पर, माइनस k 3x 3k plus 6 equals to 0. That means I will be getting something 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 equals to 0. That means 9 10 11 12 नहीं 6k equals to 24. Sorry, 18 plus 6 24, वहाँ पर minus 24, k equals to minus 4. Answer. Is it clear? k equals to minus 4 का आंसर निकला ना भाई. k equals to minus 4. Yeah, I have got k minus 4. k equals to minus 4. I have got find the value of k ना. okay. See, यहाँ का 2 मार्क का सवाल, ये 2 मार्क क्वेश्चंस. 2 मार्क. k का वैल्यू निकालो 1 मार्क. दूसरा find the other root. I have to find the other root. I have got the value of k. What I gonna do the next? After finding the value of k, can I get it the other root? Other root I can get. Yes, I can get the other root. How I will be getting the other root? See, after keeping the value na, I will be keeping over here. Other root nikalo. Other means again we have to do something like that. So I don't want to erase. No, I can do here. थोड़ा congested करके करता हूँ. See, k plus 2 x square minus kx plus 6 equals to 0. I got the value of k, that is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 कितना होता है? Minus 4 plus 2. My dear most children, say me the answer. Minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 x square. Minus 2 x square. Right? So over here is k value minus 4 plus 4 x plus 6 equals to 0. Right? Now what did I get? Now the 12 3 now 6 2. Now what? I have to do factorize. Minus 2x square plus 4x plus c equals to 0. Then after, so do by yourself. Do by yourself. You will be doing and you will be getting the answer, right? Very important question. This is the question you will be getting in the examination. Remember, this type of question you will get for sure shot, no compromise. And as not a single question you have got out of the book. Everything you have got from the book yet, and everything you will be getting in the book. Coming to the significant figures, very important. Let me say about you that you don't know yet the difference between significant figure and the decimal figure. The difference between significant figure is, suppose for an example the answer is 2.42. Suppose for an example 2.42, but agar question bolega significant ka matlab you have to take it a round number 2.40. Okay, for an example let me take another number, minus 3.683. 7 कर लेता हूँ, 7. What would be the answer? Minus 3.70. This will be the answer. Or you can say minus 6.70 will be the answer. In type of thing, significant. Decimal का मतलब अगर मैं पूछूंगा तो correct the two decimal figure, that means 2.425678 is suppose the answer. Decimal का मतलब 2.42 will be the answer. ये वाला सब कट हो जाएगा. Decimal and significant का difference you might not be knowing, so try to get to know decimal and significant figure. And coming to this, and the significant figure will be coming in the examination hall, and do not go anywhere. I will be talking about lots of important questions of the Consa and Selena which will be coming in the examination. I will be making you mark. All right, so see, if x is this much, find the value of a significant figure. Very important. X minus 18 by x equals to 6. Find the value of significant figure. You have to find the value of significant figure. If the significant figure number would be there, you have to do minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a ka formula. You're gonna put it if the significant figure, decimal figure question would be given. So what to do now? Can you do this? अगर तुम बोलोगे सर ये तो बहुत difficult वाला, very easy question. See, x minus 18 by x equals to 6. Then what you gonna do now? Very important. Very important. What you're gonna do now, that we have to take the LCM. After taking the LCM, I have got x. तो यहाँ पर LCM में डायरेक्ट इतना क्यों करते हैं? हाँ, x, then x square minus 18 equals to 6, which I will be doing. That is x square minus 18 equals to 6x. So I will be doing x square minus 6x minus 18 is got. So that means x square minus 6x minus 18 equals to 0 equation I have got. Did you understand how did I do? I have taken out the LCM x वहाँ पे चला गया x square minus 18 by x equals to 6. 6 border par x 6x minus this minus then after I have done it arrangement कैसे? Because ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 ऐसे करके लिखते हैं इनके. So quadratic equation, so I have done arrangement. Now I have to put the formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Then I gonna put minus b means minus 6 into minus b plus 6 plus or minus under root. I'm doing directly, under root b square minus 6 times 6 36 b square minus 4 into a, let me do as your 4 into 1, x का वैल्यू 1, a c का वैल्यू minus 18. Right, what I gonna do? By 2a, 2 divided by 6 plus or minus under root of 36. यहाँ पर कितना होता है? 36 4 right, minus 36 कितना होगा यहाँ पर? प्लस 18 4, right, 4ac. Then after I will be getting 4 times ac. That means I will be getting over here that 36 4 4 18 100 100.102 10 point. So I will be doing directly 10.102 102.5. So I am doing a plus or minus 10.392 by 2. Right, plus or minus is given. I have done directly. You have to calculate and do 6 point. That means अगर दो निकालना है 6 plus 10.392 divided by 2. Another you gonna do 6 minus 10.392 divided by 2. First thing I have got, that is 16.392 divided by 2. 16.392 392 upon 2, which is all about 8.196. Another you gonna do that minus 4.392 upon 2, that I gonna do minus 2. लेते हैं, इतना क्यों मुश्किल? तुम्हारे लिए -4.392/6, तो यहाँ का होता है आंसर मिलेगा, यू डू बाय योर ओन, आई एम माथा गड़बड़. Alright, so see another question, very important. This is the question generally comes in the section B of a brother and sister. Section B चमकाता है सबसे easy सवाल. I hope this type of question you get in your board exam. I really pray from the bottom of my heart for you all people that this type of question should come in the exam. This वाला तुम देखो भाई रे भाई इतना लंबा सवाल कैसे करें. Very easy. Solve x upon x minus x plus 1 minus x. ऐसे सवाल आएगा, गारंटी लिख लो. अच्छा, okay, if you want more I will be letting you do 2 to 3 problems of this significant figure. अच्छा, let us to understand how to do this. हमेशा इसको करने पहले लेते हैं लेट इसको पकड़ लेते हैं अंडर रूट ऑफ x बाई 1 माइनस एक्स को पकड़ लेता हूँ y, अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स बाई 6 को पकड़ लेता हूँ 1 बाई y इक्वल्स टू 12/13/6. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई गोना डू, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल what I gonna do, plus is given, so I have to do, let me take it the under root of x upon 1 minus x equals to 4, and another I gonna do under root of 1 minus x upon x equals to 1 by y equals to 13/6. So what plus is given, I gonna do plus y plus 1 upon y equals to 13/6 is the answer. It's not answer, it is an equation. I have to form the equation first, then after what I gonna do, y I have to put it y square plus 1 equals to what 1 उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो 13y, इस तरफ आएगा तो 6y square plus 6. Right, what did I get over here? 6y. I got total equation, that is 6y square minus 13y plus 6. I have got an equation. Did you understand? I have got an equation. Now what I gonna do? I have to do, after getting equation I have to put it in this 36y square. 13 कितना होगा यहाँ पर, 36y square होने से 12 3 36 7 36, right? 9 3 36 9 36 6y square 9 36, right? 9 36 minus 9y 9 minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So that I will be getting 6 3 is a common, right? After I get 3y is a common, so that I can get 2y minus 3 minus 2 is a common. I will be getting y minus 3y, that means 3y minus 2, and here is 2y minus 3. So the answer y का चमका मुझे यहाँ पर 2/3, यहाँ का y चमका 3/2, मुझे 2y का आंसर मिल गया. Is it clear up to this much? That means क्वेश्चन चमकेगा 4 मार्क का. कैसे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पूछेंगे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, y का वैल्यू पूछेंगे. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू गोना डू? Very easy. After that, let me erase this, my dear most children. Shall I erase? Yes. After erasing this, what I gonna do? See, after erasing this, what now? X is value I have got, right? So what I gonna do now? I have to do यहाँ का वैल्यू जो मिल गया ना मुझे, that is this much. That means what I gonna do? Under root of x by 1 minus x equals to y value. Suppose y value, what did I get? 2/3. Another I've done wrong. यहाँ पर सब देखा नहीं रे, शिट कोई बात नहीं. Let me assume this 3/2. अंडर रूट निकाल देता हूँ, इसको अंडर रूट वहाँ पर चला जाएगा. x by 1 minus x equals to 4/9. Did you understand? This under root went away and this under root went away. 1 minus x by x equals to 9/4. This under root went away. Now you have to now I don't know anything. You can do now. You can have a solve it out. यहाँ पर 9x इस तरफ चला जाएगा, ये इस तरफ चला जाएगा. आंसर मिल गया, बात खत्म. तो is it clear? I hope this concept is pretty well clear to you, and this type of question will be coming in the exam. Just wait. Do not go anywhere, because you will be getting most of the important questions. तुम्हें मिलने वाला ही है. Important question you will be getting. Do not go anywhere. All right, do not go anywhere. You don't leave me anywhere to go. Let's suppose find x. इसका वैल्यू निकाल पाओगे? Find x. 2x minus 3 equals to this. Very easy. 2x minus 3 equals to under root. This type will go under root, which is all about a 5. 2x equals to 8. x इक्वल टू 4, बात खत्म, वेरी इजी। दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जनरली 1 मार्क का आ सकता है। 2x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू यहाँ पर कितना होगा, आंसर फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, x का वैल्यू 2x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 5, देन आफ्टर 2x इक्वल टू 8, 8 x का वैल्यू 4, प्लस और माइनस 4, plus or minus 4. Is it clear? Different type of question will be coming. I think I have talked a lot. I have done a lot of things to do with your people. So coming now, the important questions which will be coming in the examination form, as I think consent Selina देख लो एक बार अच्छे से, which you people can get if you are following 51 number page 51 if you are following. A very important question that will be coming in the examination hall. See, again I am saying MCQ doesn't matter to you a lot, because where the MCQ is formed from the textbook only. बच्चे बहुत है, I don't understand why they are going after the MCQ. Go after the book. हजार MCQ तुम ठीक कर पाओगे अगर तुम बुक पढ़ोगे, अगर बुक नहीं पढ़ोगे MCQ पढ़ोगे, बुक का क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाओगे. That is the thing. Because after only 2 days again you will coming to the book only, because we are going to give subjective exam in an entire of the life. Coming to the important topic 5A consent Selena, 5A का 5 number वाला question which I have let you do over here. 5A 5 number question is very important and it generally comes in exam, sure short question, 2 mark का चमकता है, right? And coming to the all example you have to do in every chapters you have to do, but here also you have to do few of the examples as I have done over here. Example number 12 new addition का book, example number 12 odd addition का book, example number 13 sorry old addition book, example number 12 new addition book, example number 13 in case of quadratic equation, and in case of exercise B my dear most children, you have to do exercise B, that is all about from the important which will be coming 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30 to 34 as I have made you do. 30 to 34 करो, यहाँ पर 4 मार्क का सवाल चिपकने वाला है, राइट? कमिंग एग्जाम्पल 15, एग्जाम्पल 16, 17, एग्जाम्पल 15 to 17 4 मार्क ऑल्सो, एंड फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन. एक कर लो, फंडामेंटल क्लियर. अगेन कमिंग 5C last 4 questions which is all about a significant figures, last 4 questions. Oh, hope I really pray from Almighty that this type of question come, because you can do it pretty well as I hope. Example 20 चपकने वाला है, example 20 one of the important, example 20 you people can write it down if possible. These are the questions, very important questions from the textbook, and do not go anywhere. Do not read random MCQs, do not read, won't work for you a lot. If something will work, because of this only work with you all people. 5D, coming to the 5D, entire 5D तो नहीं बोलूँगा. From the 5D few of the questions I will be saying you 12, 13, 17, 19, 20, 12, 13, 17, 19, 20, बात खत्म. I was supposed to let you do 20 number, 13 number, this is all the problem. I was supposed to let you do, but lecture थोड़ा लंबी हो गया, so I have to stop it. Nevertheless you people can do it and rock on, and remember always whatever the things I have said, read those and everything will be in your favor. And thank you very much for the entire love and support, because without you I don't think I can be able to provide such a important, such a long lengthy lectures to you. These are the questions, is a vital questions, and see the way I have made you understand, and it gonna work. It's gonna work a lot, my children. It's gonna work a lot. So do not go anywhere. Keep loving, keep supporting, and definitely I hope everything goes in our way. And these are the things I wanted to say. And coming stronger in the quadratic problem solving equations, as well as the most important again linear inequation matrices. I will be doing a combined joint करके लाने वाला हूँ. Thank you very much. Keep loving, keep supporting, and share the video as much as you can. And this all I wanted to say.